Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing ease of doing business in Thailand. Well, I should say we're discussing immigration possibly getting friendlier here in Thailand, or ease of dealing with business visas, ease of dealing with visas generally. In a recent article from The Nation, that's nationthailand.com, article is titled "Government to Revise Immigration Business Laws to Lure Foreign Investors." Quoting directly, foreign and local businesses have long complained about cost burdens stemming from complying with Thai bureaucracy, but the government has been slow to deregulate. Foreign investors have pressed for, quote, friendlier laws on immigration, foreign business, and tax. And they go through this and they talk about this sort of regulatory guillotine that they're trying to bring online, where they're gonna knock out a number of the regulations associated with doing business here in Thailand that can make the overall procedures a little bit more cumbersome when compared to other countries. That said, Thailand does keep going up on the list of countries for ease of doing business worldwide. So I would think that that does augur well for how things actually work here. Yeah, look, Thailand has its own unique way of doing certain things, and I certainly, it's sort of, there's the right way, the wrong way, the Thai way, or the highway, and they do have their own way of doing things. And it can be a little cumbersome for folks who are coming into Thailand for the first time. I know I'm very biased in this regard. I just don't think it's all that overwhelming, but I'm not a new person that's just coming here for the first time. I've got some time over here, and I've dealt with this, framework for a long time. The reason for this video is, I do hope that in an effort to increase FDI coming into Thailand, foreign direct investment, we will see some changes with respect to immigration that will make things a little less cumbersome, especially compared to what they are now, where we're dealing with things like certificates of entry to get into Thailand. We're dealing with, alternative state quarantine. Now, presumably, that goes away when we sort of put to bed this whole COVID issue, or the response to this whole COVID issue. But until then, we just sort of have to take it as it comes. Exactly how this plays out long term remains to be seen, but I definitely would welcome seeing more, quote, friendly immigration in the relatively near future.